Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 Nissan Rogue and I will show you how to remove and replace the cabin air filter. This video will apply to Nissan Rogues made from 2007 all the way up to 2013. Now, on most of the vehicles the cabin air filter will be located under the glove box, but on Nissan Rogues is actually located on the driver's side just next to the gas pedal. So that means first you'll have to remove this plastic cover, and then the filter will be all the way down there behind a small cover. So you will have to get into a bit awkward position to be able to access it. To start, like I said, pull this black cover towards yourself. It will be held just by a couple of black tabs, I believe, plastic tabs, yeah. So you see one here, and two here. You can get this off the way. And now the filter will be located all the way there behind that cover, if you can see it. So all the way back there. Okay, now to remove that cover, your best idea is maybe just use a screwdriver. If you cannot do it with your fingers, you just have to kind of unclip it down here and then it will all get off. Okay, just like that. And once you have the cover off, you'll have access to the cabin air filter. So this is what you have to unclip, right? And there is the cabin air filter. I'll zoom it in. And I just got this car off the car auction, and I'm pretty sure this was never removed because it looks terrible and the car smells terrible. And now you just have to squeeze your hand in there and pull it straight out. Okay, now I hope yours doesn't look like this. That means you never changed it. So it's a bit awkward to get it out, but don't worry about breaking or anything. This is garbage anyways, right? Wow. Okay, now one more thing, you have to pay attention to the arrow. That's the airflow direction when you're installing the new air filter. The arrow has to be pointing towards the dashboard, right? This is something to keep in mind, because your new filter will have also arrows marked somewhere, and it's very important to install it the right way. So you have to pay attention when you remove the old filter, in which kind of direction was it installed. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.